wide range, so that doesn't help. But to have 94% even in the number, that's why it was so stark to me, is that there's not a lot of anything that is as high as 94%. But yes, in answer to that question, that was my interpretation of that fact, was that the withdrawal rate that's 42%, 42 to 94% will withdraw, and then that means essentially 40% or more will not have withdrawal symptoms.
Okay, thank you very much.
The question.
Yes, for sure. We have another one, and we get this question fairly often on similar topic webinars, and we're curious in your perspective. The attendee wants to know, is it safe for a mother who has been tested positive for marijuana use at the child's birth to continue to breastfeed her child?
I get that question a lot too, and you are going to get a different answer from a lot of different people. So depending on who you talk to, I can tell you that I am a very, very big proponent of breastfeeding. And even in someone, for example, who's using methadone, in theory, if the baby is nursing and mommy is still on methadone, that may actually help with withdrawal, right? Because it's not an exact science anymore, because you can't measure the excretion into the breast milk, but so it does cross the breast milk. It does go through. So you are at risk of those exposures. So in the plainest sense of the word, if a mommy is still continuing to smoke marijuana, not just if she tests positive, but if she does continue to smoke marijuana, and I would assume that because she tests positive, you're assuming that she's probably going to continue to smoke. If she did while she was pregnant, she probably still will after she delivers. So it will go through the breast milk, and the baby will be exposed. I